Your garage is supposed to be your sanctuary, the place where projects come to life and problems get fixed. But let's be honest, most of the time it's a battleground of stripped bolts, back pain, and where the heck did I put that 10mm socket? Well, the war is over. Today, we are looking at 20 garage inventions that feel like they were pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie, starting with a tool that literally vaporizes your biggest headache. If you've ever spent 4 hours with a wire brush and a cans of WD-40 trying to save a rusted control arm, look away now, because this might make you cry. This is the Portable Laser Cleaner, a high-intensity 1,000-watt fiber laser that turns iron oxide into a cloud of dust in milliseconds. Watch this. The beam passes over a crusty orange brake rotor, and without touching the metal or using a single chemical, it leaves behind a surface so clean it looks like it just came off the factory floor. It's non-abrasive, which means it doesn't wear down the actual metal. It only targets the impurities. It's the ultimate magic wand for any restoration project. While the industrial versions are still a massive investment, the tech is finally becoming portable. It's the closest thing to a real-life phaser, and honestly, watching that rust vanish is more satisfying than a pressure washer video on 2x speed. Contour duplication. Gauge precision is the difference between a professional-looking build and a that'll-do disaster. But measuring complex curves like a roll cage fitting against a dashboard or a custom exhaust pipe snaking around a frame is a nightmare. Enter the contour duplication gauge. It looks like a simple comb made of high-density plastic teeth, but it's a geometry-solving genius. You simply press the gauge against any irregular shape, and the pins slide to match the exact profile. You then lock it in place, trace that shape onto your wood, metal, or carpet, and cut. No more guess and check. No more wasted materials. It's a $5 tool that saves $500 worth of frustration. If you do any bodywork, flooring, or custom fabrication, this is the one tool that makes you look like a master craftsman, even if it's your first day on the job. Grease is the enemy of progress. You can scrub a carburetor with a toothbrush for an hour and it'll still be gunky inside the tiny jets. That's where the ultrasonic parts cleaner comes in. This isn't just a tub of soap, it's a scientific marvel. It uses high-frequency sound waves to create millions of microscopic bubbles in a specialized cleaning solution. This process, called cavitation, causes those bubbles to implode with enough force to blast grease, carbon deposits, and oxidation off the metal. You drop in a filthy, black, caked engine part, set the timer, and walk away. 20 minutes later, you pull out a part that looks brand new, even in the internal channels you can't see. It's the set-it-and-forget-it solution for anyone who hates getting their fingernails permanently stained with 80-weight gear oil. Meet the Gator Grip or the Universal Socket. This is the Swiss Army knife of your toolbox. Instead of a fixed hexagonal shape, the interior of this socket is packed with 54 individual, spring-loaded high-carbon steel pins. When you push it onto a fastener, whether it's a rusted nut, a stripped bolt, a square head, or even a wing nut or a rusted eye hook, the pins in the center retract while the outer pins surround the shape, locking on with incredible torque. It's the ultimate bailout tool. It effectively replaces a dozen specialized sockets and saves you that frantic mid-project trip to the hardware store because you didn't have a 13mm deep well handy. It's simple, it's mechanical, and it's a lifer for anyone working on older machinery where standard sizes are more of a suggestion than a rule. Now let's address the physical toll of the garage. If you've ever spent 4 hours hunched over the grill of a lifted truck or a deep engine bay, you know that your lower back usually pays the price for days afterward. The topside engine bay creeper is a game changer for ergonomics. Think of it as a specialized ladder meets lounger. It's a heavy-duty steel frame on locking casters with a thick, padded platform that extends over the engine compartment. You literally climb up and lie face down on your stomach, suspended perfectly over your work area. This takes 100% of the strain off your back and neck, allowing you to reach the back of the intake manifold or the firewall with both hands free. It's height adjustable and folds flat when you're done, making it the most important tool in the shop for anyone who values their spine as much as their torque wrench. Jack stands are fine, but let's be real. They can be sketchy, and they never quite get the car high enough to work comfortably. On the other end of the spectrum, a full two-post lift costs thousands and requires a professional concrete floor. The QuickJack sits in that perfect Goldilocks zone. These are two low-profile, high-strength steel frames that you slide under the sides of your car. Connect the mini hydraulic power unit, press a button, and in less than 60 seconds, your entire vehicle is lifted nearly 2 feet off the ground and locked into place with mechanical safety bars. It's incredibly stable, portable enough to throw in a truck for a track day, and it gives you a clear, open undercarriage to work on exhausts, transmissions, or oil changes without the coffin-like feeling of traditional jack stands. It turns a cramped garage into a professional tier service bay instantly. This is one of those, why didn't I think of that? Inventions. The Track Tire Jack is a simple, solid steel leverage tool with 2 heavy-duty rollers. You slide the forks under the tire while it's still on the ground, and using basic physics, you lift the entire weight of the wheel with one hand. Because the tire sits on rollers, you can spin the wheel 360 degrees while it's suspended. This means you can perfectly align the lug holes with the studs without ever straining your back or scraping your expensive rims against the brake rotor. It turns a 2-person struggle into a 5-second solo job. Whether you're a professional rotating tires all day or a DIYer doing a seasonal swap, this is the ultimate work smarter, not harder garage essential. Speaking of struggles, nothing kills a weekend like a check engine light for a large EVAP leak, or a vacuum whistle you just can't find. You can spray soapy water or brake cleaner all day, but you're mostly guessing. The automotive smoke machine changes the game. It uses a specialized heating element to turn mineral oil into a thick, non-toxic white vapor. You plug it into the intake manifold, or the exhaust, and within seconds the entire system is pressurized with smoke. If there is a crack in a hose the size of a pinhole or a gasket that isn't sealing, a plume of white smoke will come billowing out. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. You go from guessing where the problem is to seeing it with your own eyes in under a minute. It's the closest thing to having X-ray vision for your engine. Now, let's look up. The biggest waste of space in any garage isn't the floor, it's the ceiling. Most of us have ladders, kayaks, or rooftop cargo boxes taking up valuable floor real estate. The motorized overhead storage lift, specifically systems like MyLifter, takes the heavy lifting out of organization. This is a smart winch system that mounts to your ceiling joists. But here's the cool part, it's Bluetooth controlled. You use an app on your phone to lower the cable, hook up your gear, and then tap a button to hoist it perfectly level to the ceiling. You can even set smart points so the lift knows exactly where to stop. It's incredibly strong, and it allows you to store hundreds of pounds of gear in space that was previously 100% useless. It's like adding an extra room to your garage without moving a single brick. Forget hanging a tennis ball from a string like it's 1985. The dual laser parking assistant is the high-tech solution for the modern tight-squeeze garage. This device mounts to your ceiling and uses motion sensors to detect when your car enters. It immediately activates 2 bright red laser beams that you aim at a specific spot on your dash or hood. As you pull in, you simply watch the dot. Once it hits your sweet spot, you're parked with millimeter precision. It's a literal guided missile system for your sedan. Since it's a dual system, it handles 2 cars at once, ensuring that neither you nor your spouse ever has to deal with a "oops, I tapped the workbench" moment ever again. Articulating borescope camera. Sometimes the biggest problems in the garage are the ones you literally can't see. You drop a bolt down an intake runner, or you hear a weird ticking noise inside a cylinder head. In the past, that meant a 6-hour teardown just to look at the problem. Enter the articulating borescope. This isn't just a cheap flexible camera, it's a high-definition snake with a tip that you can steer 180 degrees in any direction using a joystick on the handle. It connects directly to your smartphone, giving you a 1080p view of the innards of your machine. You can snake it through a spark plug hole to check for carbon buildup, or behind a dark dashboard to find a loose wire. It's like surgery for your car. Having this in your toolbox is the difference between a guess and a diagnosis. If you're still working under a single flickering 60-watt incandescent bulb, you're doing it wrong. Proper lighting is the most underrated tool in any shop. These UFO deformable LED lights are the quickest, cheapest, and most dramatic upgrade you can possibly make. They screw into a standard light socket, no wiring required, but instead of one bulb, they have 3 to 5 high-intensity LED panels that look like the wings of a drone. You can angle each panel independently to aim light exactly where you need it, on your workbench, under the hood, or toward the tool chest. They put out upwards of 10,000 lumens, turning a dim, depressing cave into a bright, professional-looking studio instantly. It's high efficiency, long-lasting, and makes every project 100% easier on your eyes. How many times have you driven halfway to work and had that sudden, heart-sinking thought? Did I close the garage door? With the Chamberlain MyQ or similar smart controllers, that anxiety disappears forever. This isn't just a remote, it's a command center. It connects to your Wi-Fi and gives you real-time alerts on your phone every time the door opens or closes. But the real killer feature is the integrated 1080p camera. You can see exactly what's happening in your shop from anywhere in the world. Plus, with Amazon Key integration, delivery drivers can securely drop packages inside your garage instead of leaving them on the porch for porch pirates to snatch. It's security, convenience, and peace of mind all wrapped into one sleek unit. Okay, this next one looks like it's straight out of an Iron Man deleted scene. We've talked about the topside creeper for working over the engine, but what about the tasks that require you to be low to the ground, like brake jobs, detailing, or suspension tuning? Constant squatting and kneeling is a literal joint killer. The wearable chair, or chairless chair, is a lightweight exoskeleton that straps to your legs and waist. When you're walking, it stays flexible. But the moment you bend your knees into a sitting position, the hydraulic dampeners lock in place, supporting your entire body weight. You are effectively sitting on thin air. It takes the pressure off your knees and ankles completely, allowing you to work in a squatting position for hours without the old man groan when you finally stand back up. Sometimes the simplest inventions are the ones that save the most time. We've all been there. You're balanced on a ladder or squeezed into a tight wheel well. You reach for a screw and clink. It falls into the abyss of the engine tray, never to be seen again. The magnetic wristband is a strip of heavy-duty ballistic polyester embedded with ultra-strong neodymium magnets. It turns your arm into a mobile hardware store. You can slap 20 screws, 5 drill bits, and 3 wrenches right onto your wrist. Pair that with a magnetic finger sleeve, a tiny magnet you wear on your fingertip, and you can hold a nut in a place where your hand won't fit, or fish a dropped washer out of a dark crevice. It's a $5 upgrade that makes you feel like Magneto every time you're under the hood. If you're still using a hacksaw or an angle grinder to cut thick steel, you are living in the Stone Age. A modern portable plasma cutter is a revelation. It uses compressed air and an electric arc to create a jet of plasma that reaches temperatures over 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It slices through half-inch steel plate like it's construction paper. The best part? Modern inverter technology has made these units small enough to carry with one hand. Whether you're fabricating a custom bracket or cutting out a rusted floor pan, a plasma cutter gives you surgical precision with industrial strength. It's loud, it's bright, and it's the most fun you can have in a garage while still being productive. On the complete opposite end of the spectrum, let's talk about the finesse jobs. Electrical work is the bane of many DIY ears because humans only have 2 hands. You're trying to hold 2 wires perfectly still, hold the solder, and manipulate the soldering iron all at once. It's a frustrating dance that usually ends in a cold joint or a burnt finger. These soldering aid pliers are a stroke of pure genius. They feature two spring-loaded clamps on the jaws that hold your wires in a perfect butt joint alignment. Once the wires are locked in, they don't budge. This leaves your other hand completely free to apply the heat and the solder. It turns a three-hand job into a simple, professional-grade connection every single time. Standard shop vacs are great, but they are clumsy. They tip over, the cord gets tangled in your creeper wheels, and the filter is always clogged. A wall-mounted garage vacuum, like the systems from Buzzell or GarageVac, changes the workflow. It stays out of the way, mounted high on the wall, and features a stretchable, crush-proof hose that can reach up to 30 or 40 feet. You can pull the hose all the way to the end of the driveway to detail your car without ever dragging a heavy tank behind you. They usually come with an array of specialized detailing tools that would make a professional valeter jealous. When you're done, the hose retracts or wraps neatly away, keeping your floor clear and your workspace looking like a showroom. Nothing, and I mean nothing, kills the vibe of a clean garage faster than spaghetti floor. You know exactly what I'm talking about. A bird's nest of yellow extension cords and tangled rubber air hoses that you constantly have to step over. Heavy-duty retractable reels are the ultimate sanity saver. These powder-coated steel units mount to your ceiling or wall. With a quick tug, you can pull out exactly as much length as you need for your impact wrench or your orbital polisher. When the job is done, another quick pull and the internal spring-loaded mechanism whisks the line away, winding it perfectly in neat rows. It keeps your workspace safe, your cords lasting longer, and honestly, that zip-snap sound of a cord retracting is the most satisfying way to signal that a project is officially finished. For our final invention, we're stepping just outside the garage door. If you live in a climate where winter is a reality, you know the garage door freeze. You go to open the door in the morning, and the bottom seal is frozen solid to the concrete, or there's a dangerous sheet of black ice right where you need to step. Snow-melting mats are the high-tech middle finger to winter. These heavy-duty anti-slip rubber mats contain internal heating elements powered by your garage outlet. They generate enough heat to melt snow at a rate of 2 inches per hour. You can leave them out all season, and they'll keep a clear, dry path right at your entrance. No more salt eating away at your concrete. No more 6 a.m. shoveling before work. Just a clear, safe path to your sanctuary. And there you have it. 20 inventions that turn a standard garage into a high-tech powerhouse. Whether you're vaporizing rust with a laser or just finally getting those cords off the floor, these tools are about more than just gadgets. They're about giving you your time back so you can focus on what actually matters. The build. If you saw something in this video that you absolutely need for your own shop, check out the links in the description below. We've done the digging to find the best versions of everything we showed today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.